In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when Gmail is not receiving emails. Okay, so there could be a couple of reasons why you're not receiving emails. The first thing you want to go ahead and check is go to the left-hand menu right here, and then scroll down and then click on More. Once you've clicked on More, you want to just go to the spam folder right here. In the spam folder, you're going to see all the messages that have been moved to spam if they're like some sort of promotion, but sometimes regular emails can fall within the spam folder. So you just want to go ahead and check your spam folder. The next thing that you want to check is you want to go to the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Then you want to click on See All Settings. From here, you want to click on the top tab that says Filters and Blocked Addresses. Once you've done that, you want to check if any filter of yours is causing your emails to not get received, or if you have blocked a certain email address, you want to check if that specific email address isn't actually blocked. You may have blocked it in the past. So just check your filters and your blocked email addresses. The next thing you want to do is, once you've done that, you want to go underneath the spam folder right here. You want to click on bin, and then you could have deleted a specific email by accident and you just forgot about that. So it's always a good idea to check your bin as well. Then the last thing that you can try and check is you may have been using up all of your Gmail storage. So you can see here 0.64 gigabytes used of 15 gigabytes. If you receive a lot of emails and a lot of files within those emails, you can use up your storage. So if that's the case where you have maximized your storage, then what you want to do is you just want to go back to your inbox, and then you just want to start deleting some emails. So I could delete these 2 emails for an example, or these ones, then click on the delete button and then free up your space that way. But that would be the process of what you can check if your Gmail is not receiving emails. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.